Hi everyone, this is Kasia. I'm feeling artsy and today we're going to learn how to draw popsicles. The first thing we're going to draw is this popsicle. To do so, I'm going to start with this line. So I'm going to start right here and then go up. And when I'm thinking it's about the time to start topping off my popsicle, I'll start turning, and it's almost like a half circle that you're going to do, and then you go down with the other side. These lines are parallel, meaning that there's the same distance between them throughout this whole popsicle. I'm going to round off these corners here and I'm going to connect it. My sides are not quite even, as you can see, so I'm going to fix it a little bit. That's why we use pencils, because we can go back and erase. I have an eraser on the back of my pencil. And okay, the second part I'm going to draw is these lines inside. It's that part of the popsicle that is a little thinner, so it's lighter color, and that's just a straight line, once again a curve, and then you go down and curve the corners a little bit and put them together, and then draw a matching one on the other side of the popsicle. So about the same height, curve again, and then go down. Curve the edges and connect it. If you're like me and you feel like it's not perfect, you can just go back, fix it and erase it, and there you go. Okay, the last piece of this popsicle is the stick. The stick is in the middle. This is about the middle, so I'm gonna go from one to the other side, and that's about the same distance, and I'm gonna draw a straight line down from both sides and then connect it with the half circle. This is a little wider, so I might go back and make it wider. Here you go. And then come in and erase. For bigger jobs, I like to use this eraser. Okay, our other popsicle is also pretty simple. I'm gonna go from this side. So you're gonna draw a line. It's gonna be taller than this one, so start a little bit higher, draw a line, a straight line, then curve, and then go up this way, or you can just go down again. I think it's easier to go down, but if you think you can just go from here and up, you can do it that way too. And then this is again like a half circle. Okay, and the stick, same thing like here, middle, two sides, down, down, and half circle. Also, these lines here, this is like the 4th of July popsicle, so I'm going to do it again here. I'll do it a little different. I'm going to do more stripes, and you can do as many stripes as you'd like, or if your popsicle is just one color, then leave it. Here you go. The next step of my drawing is the outlining of everything, and I'm going to use a Sharpie for that. I'm going to speed through this part. You can outline everything with a Sharpie, a black marker, or skip this step entirely and go straight to coloring. To color my popsicles, I'm going to use markers. I'm going to do different colors than last time just to change it out a little bit. For the first popsicle, I'm going to use 2 different colors of pink, because now it's going to be raspberry and before it was orange. See how I used 2 different colors here too, because these parts are a little bit thinner, they're a little lighter. I'm going to use yellow for the sticks, And for the other one, I'm gonna use these 3 colors because I think there is one like this. It's called Zap. You can use any kind of markers. You can also use crayons. You can use colored pencils. You can even use paint. There you have it, my popsicles are done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to leave me a comment or give me thumbs up and subscribe to see my next one. And here's a special shout out to Ayla, woohoo! Just because she's the one who suggested more food videos. I'll see you next time.